Hi, in the last session we learned about scorecards. In this lesson we are going to learn about controls, okay, especially drop down list and fixed size list control. Let us come back to the studio. So this is what we have prepared. Actually in the last session we have created this scorecard, that is called total sales. We have created this is the compact number I have created, and this is the table now I have created. This is under this table what I have taken as dimensions. This is sub category I have taken as dimensions, and profit also I have taken as metric. Okay, so we are going to compare all these things, and truly this interface is going to be dynamic. Now what I would like to do, that I would like to add a control. A special control size is used as one page filters for reports, which will help you either exclude or include specific things for all the different items on the page of that report. Okay, basically now we will add a control. There is one options we can see here, add a control. So there are various kinds of control: drop down list, fixed size list, input box control, advanced filter, sliders, like checkbox, and date range control, data control. So these are the various kinds of control. One by one we will see. So now we will bring drop down control list first. We will bring here. Okay, so we have, so this is the subcategory we have. So this is, now we will change it to region. Let us see, control field has been added here, we can see. So this is control field, so we will bring it to region now. So this is region. Let us see. So let us wait for the data to load up. So let us see. So three kinds of regions has been added. So here we see under so matrix has been taken. You see by default it has been taken as cells. Okay, since it has been selected, metric has been selected as cells, it has been, this cells figure has been, is appearing here. Okay, so this is one control field we have created. So let us see, let us view this report. So let us see. So here actually we see, so there are three kinds of regions are there. So this is a drop down list. One, so 1, 2, 3. So there are three items, and these three items are central regions, southern regions, and northern regions. Suppose I want to see the data for only central regions. Let us see. So these are the changes. This is happening. Like two subcategories, profits are changing and total sales are changing. Suppose take for example, I would like to add southern. Okay. So now this total sales is also increasing. You see, if once we increase the number of regions, so sales is also increasing. Okay. Suppose we want to include all these three regions. Okay, so this is the total sales and subcategory wise we are getting. So this is actually truly what our dashboard is looking like. It is interactive or dynamic dashboard. Okay, so let us come back to edit. Okay, so basically this as the name tells, it is a drop down list of different items that you can use to filter the rest of the visuals. Okay. So let us select this. So there are some more features. Let us see. Okay. So let us see, there are some also you can see. Suppose our control we want to see in ascending order, it is in ascending order. Let us see. So ascending order, central, south, northern. Suppose we want to see it in this, sorry, descending order. Now we want to see it in ascending order. With this will also change. We can see north, south, and central. It just got reversed. Let us not change it. So this is the feature. It is already there. Okay, so then let us see a few more features that are there already. Suppose take for example, we want to see the particular date range. Okay, like we can go always go for customs, suppose particular period we want to see. Okay. So this we will see later. Then let us see a few more features under styling. Okay, styling options, let us see some of the features are there. So you can see, so we are discussing now about drop down. Now we can also change it to fixed size control. Okay, fixed size control. So in case of a fixed size control, what happens, this drop down will not appear. Let us change it. Let us see what is fixed size control. Let us expand it. Let us expand this fixed size control. So it is very much like this. Okay. So instead of having a drop down, it will appear like this, fixed size control. It will not appear like a drop down, rather it will that look like a fixed size. Suppose we want to see the data for only north, take for example, north data will appear. Suppose south data we want to see as um, so south data we want to see, this will appear like this. Okay. So the function is same. Basically, there is no that in functionality there is no difference between drop down list and fixed size control list. And but what happens? Drop down list gives us a offer of that option of drop down of different items, whereas it is these items are fixed size. Okay. So let us see a few more features that appears here. Like take for example single sheet, here single, suppose to make one selection at one time, not multiple selections. Okay, from the control. Okay, at one time we can make one selection. So this is the option that we can use for this. Enable search option, you can see this is here, we can type to search. If we are clicking on here, this option will appear, otherwise this option will go. Then we can have also take for example text option, text that is a font color, and how this header should look like. Take for example what should be the different the header color. Okay, suppose take for example text color, what should be the text color, we can see all these things. Okay, these are the options that are given. Background we can see if this can be like this. Okay, so these are the color options, specific color options we can also change. Okay. This is the check boxes. Then labels, this is basically, this tells about the font labels. This is the background and border colors. Suppose we want to that select particular themes, we can see like this. Okay, or let us make it a little lighter. Okay, like this we can make our um, and the control, we can decorate our control as per our requirement. So that's for the lessons. Thank you.